wants it completely shut. He's in the pantry, everyone. Pitch black. What are you doing? What are you doing closing yourself in the pantry?
Fish.
What? Oh. Okay, can you tell everybody bye-bye? Tell everybody bye-bye-bye. Max, I think I hear poo on TV. Do you hear him? Shh, listen.
Nana.
There's no nanas in there.
Yeah. Nana.
No, there's no nanas in there. Do you see a cookie? Look at mommy. Can you say cookie? Do you have the hiccups? Oh my gosh, Max, look. Can you tell mommy about your bad cough? Tell mommy about your bad cough. Is it a bad cough?
Yeah.
Do we need to go to the doctor? Let me hear. Whoa. Oh, boom. Did you fall down? Are you okay? You're all right. So you have a bad cough? This is cooking oil, buddy. Do you have a bad cough? No, that's not Wawa. That's cooking oil. Do you want a drink of water?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Peach.
Okay, can you let me hear your bad cough first? Okay, bye-bye.